Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to improve location accuracy on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. Many applications and services rely on location data to provide personalized and location-specific information. For example, weather applications can deliver accurate local forecasts. Food delivery application can determine the nearest restaurant, and ride-sharing application can match users with nearby drivers. Okay, and then how to do that on this device? Let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, you can go to the settings menu on your device. Okay, and then here you can scroll down. After that, you can select location option. Okay, and then in this page, you can click location service. And then you can press on Google location accuracy. Well, and then here you can activate this feature by tapping this button. Okay, so now the location on your device is successfully improved. Well, that's the tutorial on how to improve location accuracy on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.